Hello and welcome to Wi-Fi Wisdom YouTube channel. Macard Cryo360 extender setup. In this video we're talking about the Macard Cryo360 extender setup. Step 1. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your existing Wi-Fi router. Turn on the extender with an upward flick of the on/off switch. The switch is on the left side of the device. Step 2. Activate the extender by pressing the reset button for 15 seconds. The extender will reboot within 30 seconds. Step 3. Open your mobile settings and turn on airplane mode. Step 4. Go to your phone settings, open Wi-Fi, and turn it on. Search for the network name, Wi-Fi extender, and click on it to connect. Step 5. Open a web browser and input or scan QR code. Step 6. Click Login and wait 10 seconds. The system scans all networks. Step 7. Click on the name of the existing Wi-Fi network you want to extend, e.g., Home Wi-Fi. Step 8. Type your Wi-Fi password into the password box. Click the Save Setting button. Once you complete the steps, your extender reboots automatically. Place the extender halfway between your Wi-Fi router and the area with poor signal coverage. The extender's default name is your Wi-Fi name plus, e.g., Home Wi-Fi plus. The password remains the same as the existing Wi-Fi router's password.